Today on the menu, it's some steamed fish. Look at the fish with okra, otherwise known as ladyfinger, some chocho, and some crackers laced with carrots. And also, we have some steamed veggie on the side. Cabbage, sweet peppers, a little beans on the side. Let me tell you how it tastes. Wow. Look how Alexia tell me how much color is into this. Okay. Here, you have some chicken soup. Some chicken soup. Not to mention, one of my favorite things to eat. Wow. Some stew peas. In the stew peas, you have some what we call Jamaican spinners. You have piece of beef. And you have some oxtail. But wait, the oxtail not coming up. You have some oxtail. That's the beef. All know me, you know, see the oxtail. No, man, me I go call and rub them out. Pure beef. Oh, this is a piece of the oxtail. One little piece of oxtail. You have some plantain. Steamed veggies again. For days I'll be eating this fish. Gonna eat 3 times. This stew peas gonna eat 2 times. This soup. Not to mention what I have for drinks. Can I tell you? Some beetroot. Knowing me, I love to drink beetroot. Yes. Beetroot is good. It has nitrates in it. So I wanna love my food. Talk to me and tell me I wanna love my food. Hello. Today on the house, we have some sumptuous Jamaican meal. So, without further ado, we'll just get right into it. And I'll show you meals that I love to eat. All right. This is steamed fish. Look at the fish.